Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you've gone through the previous two lectures where we discussed how to create a blog, how to edit a blog, and in the next lecture we discussed all these sections, the settings of a blog, how to purchase a domain name, how to inculcate a third party domain name if you're purchasing it from another party, say not from Google itself, since we know both YouTube and Blogger are owned by Google. तो अगर आप नहीं चाहते हैं गूगल पे अपना डोमेन नेम खरीदना बिकॉज इट्स एक्सपेंसिव देन दी अदर थर्ड पार्टी डोमेन नेम जो प्रोवाइड करती है वेबसाइट्स, फॉर एग्जांपल godaddy.com है, यू कैन purchase a domain name far marginally on a lesser price than you can on Google and any other site. So if you want to purchase a domain name on any other website and then connect it to your website on Blogger, that you can also do, and you can modify your Blogger according to your own tastes and your website. So all of that we studied yesterday. I told you how to also upload a theme. If you're not Blogger already provides you a section of themes, like a list of themes. You have a lot of themes, like I told you yesterday, according to your the kind of website you're making and the kind of business you have. If you're making it for a business, good. If you're just making it to keep a blog, to keep up with your daily habits or art and craft or anything like that, that does not associate it to a particular business, even then you can choose whatever theme suits you from the provided themes that they're going to provide you with, like these. If at all you don't like any of these themes and you want to experience or experiment with some other themes, I've already told you where to go for it. In the last lecture I showed you there are websites that provide free templates. You can download them and then install them on the Blogger itself. So now that that is done, we've already gone through all of these things, settings. One thing that we left off was layout. I left it off for a purpose because I didn't want to crowd you with everything, with all the information. I wanted you to know how to, be able to. The layout basically is concerned with how your website looks, as simple as it may sound. Once you select a theme, it gives you a, let's see the current theme that we have. How does it look? So this is our blog for now, our website for now. It says foodbutcher.blogspot.com because we have yet to purchase a domain name. So as soon as we purchase a domain name and hosting space, our website name would probably be www.foodbutchers.com, or however you want it to be. Okay, so there is that. So this is how your website is going to look. You don't have a favicon right now, you don't have a logo right now, but all of those things we'll check in with today with layout. So this is how your website looks right now, and now we're going to make some changes if we want to. If we want to put in a header or a footer or things like ऐसा होता है कि कभी कभी आपने देखा होगा मेन्यू होता है एक पूरा, तो यहाँ home है, so you want to add a few pages here. Yesterday some of you had some confusions about pages, so this is where it comes in. So pages matlab when you create a page, it's sort of like a web page. So you want to introduce that page into your blog, you want to create another page altogether. Us case mein you have home right now. If you want to add contact us, you'll add here, and then you'll add some other recipe. Since it's food related and recipe related, say for example you want to add Italian recipes or Chinese cuisine, ऐसे ऐसे करके if you want to make different pages of different sections or categories, वो आप कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो that you can add here, that will also see today. तो बाकी ये सब कुछ, if you at any point in time want to change a theme, you can go back here, select the theme you want and change it according to your own taste. But once you publish the website and once you purchase a domain name, I would suggest you keep a particular theme because then people will relate to it more. So selecting a theme would be, now would be the right choice to decide which theme you actually want to go through with. Now, the first thing that comes in layout is Favicon. I've already told you what it means. This right here, see, this is a Canva.com, a website where you can, download free icons and free logos and free templates, वगैरह if you want to. I've already been through this with you. So this particular logo or this small thingy that you're seeing is a favicon. It's called a favicon. So once you open a web page, the logo that comes right at the top on the window is your favicon. So this is YouTube's favicon. Now this is blogger's own favicon. Now if you want to change the favicon of your blog, which you should, I have downloaded NIIT's favicon. Okay, so I created a favicon out of the NIIT logo. You can also do it. There are bundles of websites, free websites that provide you free favicons. The one that I chose was favicon.io. It's a website that converts your logos or your texts, anything that you provided with, into a favicon and lets you download it for free. So you can also go online and create as many favicons as you want. And now that you have created a blog, and I would really hope some of you might have created their own blogs, and one of you probably must have also purchased your domain name. So the next step would be for you to install your own favicon. If you have a logo, very good. If you don't have a logo, you can even convert a text into a favicon, download it, and then install it like I am doing right now. So this is what you do, and then you upload it, and then you save it. As soon as you save it, okay, so now that it has been saved, what you will do is you will open this link, close this one, and you will see your favicon must have been uploaded. Why isn't it uploaded? Okay. Before I uploaded, you have to save your arrangement, I'm assuming. Yeah. So now, before I uploaded the favicon for, what do you call it? I had actually inserted some other favicon before this just because I wanted to see which one would work. So right now this one is showing this, but I'm not sure. So I'm supposed to remove it first. Now that I've removed it, I suppose I'm supposed to remove it first. Yeah. Now that we've already gotten the bloggers favicon back, I had uploaded another one before this. The white one. This one I had uploaded before sometime because I wanted to see how this works before I uploaded the NIIT one. So now that we've gotten this one back, let's see which one. It should go back to the blogger one. Oh, it's not. I'm not sure what's wrong with that one, but let's see. Let's do it one more time. If it doesn't come right now, maybe it will in some time. Let's check back in 5 to 10 minutes, but this is a process how you do it. Now what is the site header? If you want to add logos, this is where you put in your header. So this is your blog title. This could be your blog description. Say for example you want to add in uh, the most latest and the most latest recipes from every cuisine. That's it. And if you want to choose an image, I would say you choose a logo for this. So I already have an IIT's logo here. I hope it. Yeah, so either you want to put it behind the title and description, you can put it instead of title and description, and you can have a description placed after the image. So this could be, this is your choice to put it anywhere you want to put it. Let's say behind title and description, and save it. Save the arrangement, and let's open the link in the bio. So this is how it's going to look. Right now we put it behind the title and description, so this is how it's going to look. So maybe if we edit it and put the placement to instead of title and description, let's see what happens then. See, instead of title and description, you only get a logo now. Do you understand how the placement works? Now, if you want to still edit it and go back to it and have a description placed after the image, you can also have that. And then maybe view blog. So this is how it's going to look behind the description. So as far as I know, the Favicon is going to be replaced because the Google must have already crawled the web page or the website, and it's not going to do so in some time. So as soon as that happens again, so our Favicon will be changed. For now, say if you want to change the primary menu, you can change it. You can also add, these are the gadgets basically. See, you have pages to show, so maybe you want to show Italian recipes and contact us. Yesterday we created some pages, but I deleted those, but I went back and created some more pages for you to see what pages are and how they are displayed on a blog. So that's why I did it. And now that you have this, so you save. So let's go back to the blog. So this is how your blog is going to look. Each time you want to see how your blog is going to look, you have a logo here, you have the description, you have all of these, and now you have pages as well. Okay, these are your pages. You have home, you have Italian recipes, you have contact us. Once you click on contact us, I have already installed some of it, your address, your phone number, and your email ID, the email that you want people to contact you with. Once you have Italian recipes, you have like the list of Italian recipes that you have. Okay, this is how you build your website. Pages matlab you can add as many web pages to it as you want, but most of the times pages are static. Your home is the place where things are getting dynamic. You're adding text and video and all of these things. You can also add these things in your pages also, but most of the times they're just static. So I want you to go back, whatever topic you decide to put your blog on, whatever whether it's a hobby, it's a business. You can also create a website for your customers. Say for example you have a business of Kashmiri arts or whatever, you can inculcate that part of information or about that business into your website as well. So it's not that difficult. Then you have main blogs में आप कैसे gadgets रखना चाहते हैं, you can side. Now you have a gadget. This one comes in play when you will have AdSense installed. So then this comes into play. Right now you don't have anything to do with it. If you want to add a gadget, you can add it. Say for example you want to search this blog gadget you want to edit. So you want the title to not be search this blog, you only want it to be search. And then you can save it. If you want to remove this gadget also, you can remove it. Let's see how it works. All these gadgets where they are, you can, आप चाहे तो gadgets include कर सकते, remove भी कर सकते. This is your gadget. So if somebody wants to search, say for example Italian, because I've already introduced a page, let's see if it searches. So no posts matching the query Italian. So I want them to show me all posts. Since that is in another page, it's not a post, a blog post, so it won't show me that. Say for example I want to chocolate. Let's see if it searches. So yeah, it comes because I've already created a blog post about a particular chocolate cake recipe. So it'll get you. This is your search gadget. If you want to add any other gadgets, you can add them. Report abuse pages, about me, and all of these featured posts. If you want to add these gadgets, you can add them here. That is all about layout. If you have any issues, contact me and we'll get through this. For now, this is all there is to Blogger. That is it. You don't have to go above and beyond and do things in a complicated way. Whatever I've told you, you create a blog, you publish things on a blog, publish at least 10 to 20 posts and get enough traffic to be qualified for AdSense, and then you'll start making money. Get in touch with influencers that are around your, specific area. Recipes hai to maybe get in touch with home bakers or chefs or people who create recipes and publish them on their blogs. Maybe cross marketing, we'll get to that. Maybe create an Instagram page if you have it, add it, link your Instagram profile. Wahan you can link a website, or you can put a website on an Instagram page. You must have known. तो वहाँ अपने blog का website post करिए. It's very fairly simple if you want to. जब पहले awareness की बात आती है, the first and foremost thing you need to do is put content on a blog. Put 10 to 20 posts, good ones, good content, and then start creating awareness. Uske baad, once you get enough traffic, can you actually apply for AdSense, and Google is going to come itself, it's going to come forward and notify you that now you're qualifying for AdSense and you should apply for it. So then is when you'll start making real money. That's it for today. Thank you.